the beneficiaries of RKVY Raftar coming from all over Karnataka, and it has been a very hectic day signing without any much formality, I take this opportunity to invite our Honorable Vice Chancellor for handing over of the MOU the beneficiaries have signed with the university. On this occasion, we are very fortunate that one of our Honorable Board of Management, Sri Sheshimoli sir, is with us. Sir, thank you sir for being with us. And I am really grateful to our registrar, despite his very busy schedule. So he sat, probably signed more than 200 documents today in about 1 hour. And so also our Director of Research, P.L. Patil. So without much, sir, this is just an occasion to hand over the memorandum, and soon after that, maybe by tomorrow or day after tomorrow, we are going to transfer the money also. So, now I request our Honorable Sir to address the gathering.
Honorable Member, Board of Management, Mr. Sheshimoli Kulkarni, my colleagues, Dr. Kiresur, Dr. Patil, Dr. Vastrad, and all the staff of RKVY Raftar, and the recipients of the MOUs and the incubatees with US Dharwad. You all know that it was a long exercise to reach to this stage because you underwent rigorous training as well as rigorous exercise of presenting before the RC meeting chaired by Mrs. Chavi Jha, Joint Secretary, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Government of India, with the learned experts drawn from various institutes like IIM, IAC, and many private companies. And one thing is sure that I must be grateful to Government of India for recognizing US Dharwad as one of the knowledge partners in RKVY Raftar and facilitating for us to establish incubation center at US Dharwad. And Dr. Vastrad and his team have been trying hard to see that this center serves the purpose for which it has been established. And you being the beneficiaries, you make the best use of the facilities and the expertise available with US Dharwad, and you start acting immediately as soon as you receive the copy of the MOU between you and the US Dharwad. Start immediately acting on it, and we have to show progress to Government of India, because if we show progress, probably we may get some more benefits from the Government of India. It all depends on your efforts and your dedication in making this venture very, very successful. With these few words, I will not take much of your time. We can start, distributing the MOU signed certificates to all of you. And once again, I wish you all the best in your endeavors. Thank you very much.
Raftar has provided a great platform for young ideas to come to life with the experience and the knowledge of the university and the Raftar team. We are able to interact with a lot of other startups and AOP incubatees and bring the ideas to life. And their opportunity they gave us to present our ideas to the farmers in the Krishi Mela has given us a lot of positive energy to take the idea forward, because there's no way someone can get such a big expanse of diverse set of farmers to be able to look at our idea and give feedback. So we're very thankful to being part of a Raftar platform and the experience and the knowledge we've got from the incubation program. Thank you.
ಹಲೋ, ನಾನು ಶೀತಲ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಯಳವತ್ತಿ ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು. ನಂದು ಅರ್ಹತ್ ಅಗ್ರೋ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಇದೆ. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಫ್ತಾರ್ ಸ್ಕೀಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಗ್ರಿ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕೀಮ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ನನಗೆ ಸಿಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ನನಗೆ ಕಬ್ಬಿನ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ 2 ತಿಂಗಳ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಟೈಪಂಡು ಕೊಡಲಾಯಿತು. ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಗಿಸಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ನನಗೆ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ನಂದು MOU ಆಯಿತು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಸಂಕೇಶ್ವರನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಜಾಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕಬ್ಬಿನಗಿ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಕಬ್ಬಿನಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ ರೈತರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇವಾಗ ಈ ಕೃಷಿ ಮೇಳದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಅಗ್ರಿ ರಫ್ತಾರ್ ಸ್ಕೀಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಜಾಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಅಗಿಗಳನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇದರ ಥ್ರೂ ನನಗೆ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಅಗಿ ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಇದು ರಫ್ತಾರ್ ಯೋಜನೆಯಿಂದ ನನಗೆ ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ನಾನು ಇದ್ರ ಗುಟ್ಟಾಗ ಒಂದು 10-15 ಮಂದಿಗೆ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಒದಗಿಸಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಮತ್ತು ರೈತರಿಗೆ ಕಬ್ಬು ತುಳಿಯೋ ಪದ್ಧತಿಯಿಂದ ಅಗಿ ಹಚ್ಚುವ ಪದ್ಧತಿಗೆ ಬದಲಾಯಿಸಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಎಕನಾಮಿಕಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಬ್ಬು ಹಚ್ಚೋ ಪದ್ಧತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ರೊಕ್ಕದ ಉಳಿತಾಯ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Myself Virender Reddy. We came from Krishi Tantra. Our trade name is Krishi Tantra. We are manufacturers of soil testing equipments. As we come through at Krishika from the university, we got a good support from Mr. Varshad and Vinayak and Shreya. These all people, they helped us for us to grow up as a startup. We grow up with very well, and we got exposure in our Krishi Mela. Krishi Mela given us a platform by the university to demonstrate our product in front of the people and give awareness about our product, and we can have a good clients, and we can reach the people very easily by the Krishi Mela. And we got a good support from university also. By giving us the opportunity, we can work easily with the farmers, and not only farmers, like seed companies, fertilizers, and FBOs, and most of the organization, plant or horticulture companies. So they came us, they got information, because we are in the stall of university. We got a good exposure, because the university stall means most of the students and business people and most of the farmers and who highly graduated, they come to the university stall, they have a look on it. So we got a good opportunity in this, where we can do our business, and meanwhile we can get all information from the farmers what the problem is there.
ಇದು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಶುಗರ್ ಕೇನ್ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಾವಯವ ಕಬ್ಬಿನ ರಸ. ಇದು 12 ತಿಂಗಳು ಕೆಡುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದರಿಂದ ಆಗುವ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಏನಂದರೆ ಆರೋಗ್ಯವರ್ಧಕ, ಶಕ್ತಿವರ್ಧಕ ಶುಗರ್ ಕೇನ್ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್. ಇದು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಲ್ಲಿ ₹25ಕ್ಕೆ MRP ರೇಟಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಇದು ಗ್ರಾಮೀಣ ರೈತರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಸೋಷಲ್ ಇಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು, ಈ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟನ್ನು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಪ್ ಅಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ UAS ಧಾರವಾಡ ಅವರು ಇದನ್ನು ಪರಿಗಣಿಸಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಆದ ಕಾರಣ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಗ್ರಾಹಕರ ಉತ್ಪನ್ನವಾಗಿದ್ದು, ಇದು ಔಷಧಿಯುಕ್ತ ಗುಣವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಹೊಂದಿರುತ್ತದೆ.
Hello all, Greetings from Dwell Private Limited. Dwell, short for Design Works and Artificial Intelligence Lab, is a multidisciplinary product research and development company on a mission to transform agriculture sector across the globe by improving the quality and utilization of produce through scientific and engineering excellence. The founding team of Dwell consists of Anirudh Katti, Mohammad Aqib Jamil, and Naveen Hiramat, engineering graduates from Karnataka. They are mentored by incubation centers Krishik and Deshpande startups in Hubli Dharwad of Karnataka. Dwell is developing a pneumatic separator, which is an agri-produce post-harvest technology which enables value addition to the agriculture food produce by cleaning and sortation. The device is currently under research and development and is expected to transform over 16 different segments of agriculture, including herbal, export, tea and coffee, soya, and major food grains. The team at Dwell is thankful to Agribusiness Incubation Program Avishkar by Krishik Agribusiness Incubator at University of Agriculture Sciences, Harvard, for their mentorship and accessibility to the crucial connects that are important in commercialization of pneumatic separator. We also thank Deshpande Startups for their continuous support and the Startup India initiative by Government of India. For more information, visit www.dwellabs.com. Thank you for your time and consideration.
Hi, this is Jeevan, co-founder of Hydrogreens Agri Solutions Private Limited. We had identified a problem of non-availability of green fodder in dry and arid regions. So we have come up with a hydroponic fodder machine which can grow about 25 to 30 kgs of green fodder every day. This can feed up to about 3 to 4 cattle and help the dairy farmers to increase their quantity and quality of the milk. So I thank to RKVY Krishik team of University Agriculture Science Dharwad for supporting us. Thank you.
Biomine Technologies dreams of doubling the farmer income by enhancing the soil carbon that plays a very significant role in the production or productivity of the farm. In spite of government policies, fertilizer companies have not been able to meet the national mandate for organic fertilizers. Biomine Technology has designed a cost-effective biochamber that converts food waste into microbial powder and organic fertilizer. It also has designed an online platform that enables this exchange of organic fertilizer between communities and farmers. The USP of the solution comes from the fact that we are able to reduce 92% of the waste from its original volume. And it takes just 1/3 of the space of traditional composting. This makes it very easy for large communities to adopt this system to manage waste. We then connect the communities with farmers who are willing to trade their compost for high quality vegetables. To prove this model, we've actually tried and piloted this across 3 communities in Bangalore and are constantly running this for the past 6 months. Our confidence to execute the model comes from the fact that we have a multidisciplinary team with people from various backgrounds who come together to solve these problems. We've also won several awards at national and at the state level and also been recognized by various IITs. With just 3 pilot projects, we've also been able to create an impact in the life of 9 farmers and also been able to provide jobs for about 5 waste workers. We'd like to thank Team Krishik for helping us shape our growth and scale models and the way forward. Thank you.